Hey everybody, welcome to Everyday Waffles because I love easy all-day nutrition in one effing waffle. All right, so yeah, I just changed things up on you guys. So let me wash my hands and I'll tell you what's up. It's kind of fun. So I really hated food, so I started off this channel. I mean, this is really a channel for me. So it was like I hate food, but I love waffles. You know, my grandma's waffle. You guys know the story. Well, over time, I ended up really liking food. So, but I love the easiness of one waffle gives me everything I need. That is the awesome sauce. I don't plan on changing. I mean, this is really great in my body, really good in my system. And I'm gonna start really kind of giving you guys some nutritional facts because this is gonna be my jam. This is it. This is what we got. I love it. I'm really happy. So, a lot of my recipes, wake up in the morning and I just hit the computer and I do my thing there. That's when I'm thinking about recipes. Uh, just kind of my jam. And then every once in a while, in the middle of the night, I'm just like, can't really sleep. I was thinking about some friends that were coming over today. By the way, sitting over on the side is Reaper. He stopped by today. We've just been hanging out. And check this out. I got a new apron. I'm so excited about this. I mean, this is fucking awesome. So, it's waffling. I have this whole waffle philosophy thing. You know, guys, like how I work out, like a little bit before the show, a little bit after the show. This is kind of like my rhythm. You're literally, this is dinner at Brian's house. Um, it's nice sharing it with you guys. It all comes together so quick. I love being able to show you a meal that just happened so fast, and I can just clean up, enjoy. And this waffle today is not all day nutrition. So this one, everyone's coming over, and I thought, let's make it fucking easy. So I told Dutch, I was like, grab 4 cans of chili, come on down. And I made this waffle last night, put it in the freezer. I thought, I'm gonna go and just leave some of these in the freezer because I got some more chili. Thank you, Dutch. And so, yeah, there we go. Somebody comes over to Brian's house. Oh, by the way, if anybody watching comes over for the next few days, you're getting a chili waffle made out of cornbread. So this is a cornbread waffle. Just recipe just popped out of my brain. I really liked it, so I'll share it with you. Okay, so this is gonna be 2 cups of flour. Sorry, 1 cup flour. 2 cups of cornmeal. And we're gonna be using a can of corn in this. I mean, it's gonna be this is really nice. If you just want to make a very fucking awesome cornbread, why the fuck make any other cornbread than what I'm about to do? Seriously, stop making cornbread. Um, do it this way. Yes, that is my advice to you. Oh, and I got some canisters. Once again, thank you, Dutch. So yeah, this awesome canisters. He's like, I never cook. You always cook for me, so why would I need canisters? I'm like, all right, I'll take them. So I'm using 2 cups of cornmeal, 1 and 2. So we're gonna be doing something really fun for a while. So yes, show's been off the air for just a little bit because I was doing some house construction, and who wants to see a dirty home? Um, there's all that shit everywhere. Uh, so anyway, I gave a lot of thought to my channel because this literally is me eating dinner. This is me having very good nutrition. So what do I want to do? We're gonna get our Bob's egg substitute. Very important. I should have started that a little bit ago, but I'm running my mouth. Is anybody surprised? Been running all day. I got hot tea. All right, this is gonna be. We're gonna use 2 eggs. So there's gonna be 2 tablespoons. Bob. Thank you, Bob. I really appreciate you. It's nice not having to worry about eggs and a lot of things because the price of this goes down. I'm able to buy like this high nutrients instead of having to pay the higher price of eggs. Kind of works out, I guess. One thing goes to hell and it helps you do something else. Oh. But anyway, so what I'm gonna do is 52 weeks. Every once a week, every Sunday, I'm gonna be putting out a new power waffle. It's gonna be kind of fun. So we're gonna do the power waffle base, and then also that base is what I'll be using for the whole week. And so I'll be doing 7 days of toppings, for the waffle. So like this next one I'm gonna start, not tonight, but it's gonna be really fun. It's got zucchini in it for our everyday waffle. And then every sauce that I'm gonna do is based off of a half a cup of yogurt included. So it's gonna be kind of fun. So anyway, so I'll post it with everything on there. Sorry, my voice. So I'll post it with everything on, and then yeah, so I'll just cook that every night. And sometimes I won't be doing that. I'll be doing some other fun shit like this. But you'll have the recipe for the whole week for the power waffle if you want to just do that one. Because what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do it in like 3 parts. I think it's a really good idea. So I'm doing like 3 parts. One is gonna be on building muscle. So it's my power waffle to help, with recovery. Then the second one, because nutritionist, computer, I don't know. I just really enjoy this shit and I want to research what makes it more easy. Anyway, so why am I explaining it? But this is just, I just love sharing this with you guys. So now I'm going to put in 2 tablespoons of, got a new mat underneath me. I'm going to put in 2 tablespoons of sugar. Give it some extra sugar. So I'm going to focus first on that. Then I'm going to go on gut health. Because I mean, these waffles are really good for you in many ways. And just, just some additives and stuff that you add in. And then lastly, I'm going to be doing some more brain health related waffles. I'm really excited. So yeah, I think we got a system. I know it probably doesn't make sense right now, but you'll figure it out as we go along. But everything's changed because I love easy, all-day nutrition in one effing waffle. But tonight is a waffle that's made for friends. There we go. And it's a lot of fun having my dinner like with you guys. It really, really is. And also with a friend over there behind me. So now I'm going to put in a teaspoon of salt. All right. Yay. This is exciting. Okay, so now I'm going to make buttermilk, which is going to be a lot of fun. I'll show you how I'm going to do it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take almond milk, put it in here, 1 cup. I'm going to take my apple cider vinegar and put my apple cider vinegar in there with 1 tablespoon. I'm excited. This is kind of like a cool process. Try it at home. You'll see. All right, 1 tablespoon. Bam. Mix this up a little bit. I really need to do the chopstick mixture thing. Hey, it works for one thing. Just keep going, right? All right, so now I just made like sour milk. So I'll put that in. I'm gonna do another half batch. Boop-a-doo. Fun shit about to happen. I'm excited. This has turned out really good. I mean, there's only some, there's basic stuff to these waffles. And so it's like, that's why I like them. They're so easy and fun to make. So I'm really looking forward to sharing like a whole year. Like, yeah, it's gonna take some work, but it's gonna be really great on my body. So I'm looking forward to researching them. I can't believe it's cool. And since I'm kind of like a pescatarian in between, I'll be doing like some really good salmon stuff because you guys seem to really like my salmon recipe. Excited about that. But yeah, that's my goal. Overall, though, I enjoy having like the dinner process, and other people really get to enjoy it. So, all right. So now then, I think I'm gonna need some more. I put my oil in. 2 tablespoons of my oil. 1 and 2. Waffle iron's doing awesome over here. All right. And set this off to the side. So now I'm just gonna mix this up a little bit, and then I'm gonna add in half a yellow onion that I chopped up really fine, and 1 entire can of corn. And then I'm gonna add in, put my eggs in there. And this shit is gonna taste really good. All right, so now I'm just gonna take a can of corn and drained it. Oh, so simple of a recipe, and we've already had it once. It was really good, and I just covered it with chili. It's fucking awesome. All right, so here goes in my yellow onion. I'm super excited. Sharp, so off to the side. No accidents, except for that burn I had the other night. All right. Okay. So now all I'm just gonna do is just like stir this in. And then after I get all this stirred in, that's when I'm gonna put in my egg replacer and fold that in. And yeah, this onion it really turned out really good. Cooking in the waffle really added to the chili. That's a lot. So the corn and the taste of the batter was just. So I was like, oh, I have to share this with you guys. And this would be really nice to have with friends over. Get everything where easy to wash. See, that's the other thing. Nice having dinner with you guys because this shit is so easy to make, and I can clean it up, and you guys can learn like kind of my way of doing nutrition. Kind of fun. And eventually, hey, maybe I might make some money off of this, and I'll pay for my grocery bill. Everyday Waffles pays for my everyday groceries. All right, here we go. So now the egg replacer's in. I've got we're all ready to go. This is fucking awesome. All right, let me turn this on. So I just put up this new ceiling thing. So yeah, since they got all new ceiling work, then everything goes up the vent now. Otherwise, I love my house to smell like waffles. All right, boom. Yeah, you guys should see like kind of like this remodel thing I did. Holy shit, it's really amazing. But this is all about waffles, not Brian's remodel. This is dinner. The day is over. Reaper's hungry, and I get to pack my waffles because I. So I'm gonna eat these tomorrow because I'm gonna do some other nutrition to go with it, and I'll show you how I pack it up. It's fucking awesome. Wow. It's kind of finally nice to be able to just flip things around and just, and just say, oh, because I love easy all day. Effing nutrition, effing waffle, fucking easy as shit. Oh, this one, I'm using olive oil. So it's gonna drip some. So just so you guys know, like when you feel like I got a little bit too much oil, we have a drip pan on here. You just turn it this way and it's gonna go blip, blip, blip a few times. But extra oil on this is a really good one. So now I'm just gonna take my pan on here, can of chili. Holy shit. Dinner fucking awesome. Right? Okay. I mean, I'm gonna feed Reaper, then I'm gonna have the reason I did this recipe, because this recipe here made 5 waffles, is what it made. So he'll eat one, I'll eat part of one, and I'll have the rest frozen, which is I'm excited about. So if you guys like seriously comments, since we dropping stuff in there for you to take a look at, the recipes in there, and I'm gonna put some nutritional information in on these power waffles. But yeah, if you're curious, I want to try and use different grains from like around the world and shit in them. I don't know. We'll see where it goes. I'm fucking excited. Like I say, I do this show for me, and you guys just happily get to join and be alone in my kitchen for dinner. And I love waffles. Sharing this is awesome as shit. Where's my green light? Ah. I'm so excited because this is really nice. And there I was at 2 o'clock in the morning going, man, hot cornbread is so beautiful. I don't mind if it's the recliner. Give me some butter. Too fucking fun. Oh, shit. Check it out. So, they finally came in. This is what I've been looking for my lunchbox. It's going to hold one piece of waffle so fucking beautifully. Yay. And this episode is brought to you by Homo Sweet Homo, because this Homo Sweet Homo was made by Reaper. I would pick up and show you to you, but it's actually kind of like glued to the fridge now. I love it. So we got beautiful dish rag from Brandon. We got this. It's kind of like kitchen's coming along, kind of fun. And seriously, like I say, this kind of shows for me. Um, that's what I love about it. I get to do my stretching. I get to do my quick meal, do some more stretching, upload it up to you guys. Have really a lot of fun. At the end of the day, goddamn, you want to have some fun, or you want your friends around, have some fun making waffles, and I get the most simplistic diet, which I get to taste something different every day, even though it's kind of like looks the same. It tastes different every day. It's delicious, and voila, here we go. Our cornbread, amazing waffle. So tasty. It's so dense and so heavy. Ooh, oh my goodness. This other one going real quick, and I'll show you guys. This is so exciting. Wow. Since I already know what it tastes like, I'm already very excited to taste another bite. Yeah. Oh, I almost looked at my finger. Okay. I'll just take the chili, put it on, voila. So here we go. Loaded with corn. Sorry about the lighting. When I was putting in this new part of the ceiling on the lights on. So anyway, the corn is amazing. And it tastes like the best cornbread. Wow. So yes, I am excited. Yeah. Okay, guys, here we go. Just cornbread and chili on a waffle. I hope you guys have a wonderful night. I know I am, because now I'm really getting to enjoy the hell out of food these days. I get my beautiful waffles. Fucking great. No more cornbread. Thanksgiving, cornbread waffles.